What's up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach. Today, I'm going to be showing y'all what I spent $476.53 on. Oh, there's baby. So this total was $476.53. You know what I'm saying? At Walmart. You ready? You ready? You ready? Let's go. All right, Peach Patch, we're going to start like usual from this side and work our way around. So the first thing I bought was 5 of these Tide Simply Clean and Fresh. I did get one with Oxy Clean, Tide Simply Oxy. These were $8 and I believe 94 cents a piece at Walmart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I also got one Downey Ultra. It was $9.98. I also got 4 Palm Olive Soft Touch dish detergents. I love this one. It has almond milk and blueberry scent. I bought it on accident. Like, they didn't have the purple kind I really like. But now I love this kind. It smells so good. Like, they need to make this an air freshener. Almond milk and blueberry. I would buy this as an air freshener. It smells so good. And the reason why I buy stuff like this in bulk is because we are a family of 7, child. I mean, we got a lot of clothes to wash. I like knowing that we have everything we need. Life is unpredictable, especially when you are an entrepreneur. When you are an entrepreneur, you never know how much you're going to make. You're essentially a business owner. We don't have a guaranteed set pay. Like, oh, I know if I go to work this week, I make $10 an hour. I work 40 hours a week. Hey, you okay? Come on. I work 40 hours a week, make $10 an hour. I bring home $400. This is what I need to do. My lifestyle is not like that. I set my own schedule. If I don't work, I don't eat or don't eat as much. So I like to buy in bulk to know no matter what circumstances may be, I will have enough money to cover our needs. And now we have a fly friend. Oh, we got a fly. They just came in when Daddy was bringing in groceries. All right, Peach Patch, I also bought this Minute Maid fruit punch. I got 2 of them. This is open because I made baby some juice. Yes, I give my baby juice. Don't judge me. Judge your mammy. I also got 24 of these Ragu classic Alfredo sauces. So 24 total. Hold on, baby. So it is 12 in each one. You ready? 3, 6, 9. Damn, she fine. Let me see you bring it to me one more time. Get low. Come on, get low. Okay, I'm just playing. But yeah, it's 12 in each row. I also got different kinds of pasta. I got some linguine. More linguine. I got fettuccine, thin spaghetti, regular spaghetti, and a couple, I think angel hair. Did I get angel hair? No, a couple thin spaghetti. Daddy likes thin spaghetti over angel hair. What's wrong? Go bother your father. Why kids always want to bother you? His daddy right there. Go bother daddy. Go talk to daddy. I also bought some shrimp. I got 8 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bags of the colossal. And then I got 3 bags of the super colossal. Shrimp is not that expensive. These are $7. I mean, it could be expensive to somebody. But $7 and some change. These are like $9.98. And they're pretty decent size. I don't like that I have to peel them, but they're pretty decent size. What was I going to tell y'all? Oh, so when we cook meals, we use 2 to 3 bags. Our family is pretty big. 2 to 3 bags of shrimp, which is why I bought the quantity limit that I got. Next, I got some baked beans. Baby, I went hammer time with the baked beans. I bought 24 of the little ones. Van Camp is my favorite. I'm not no bush baked bean kind of girl. I like Van Camps. I also got 19 of the big ones. These were the last 19. I also got 2 bottles of the BABYDADDIES. That's on. I like Goya, but I bought this because Daddy liked this. Yeah, got that kind. Then I got chicken wings. They had 6 chicken wings. It was the last 6 that they had out. I bought all 6. The lady was sitting there rolling her eyes and sucking her teeth. Stomp your feet, but I can't be beat. The name Pete Mike, but they call me Peach. Okay, let me calm down. I'm so hyper today, y'all. But I got 6. They were different amounts depending on weight. It was $2.46 a pound, $11, $10, $10 and some change, $9 and some change, you know. $11.09, different prices, but I bought 6 of those. I'm gonna put this in my deep freezer. I don't know, babe. Are you cooking or you want me to season up some chicken for you to bake when I'm done? Some be gone all day. I'm going to get my braids today. I also got some rice. I bought 3 bags. I like to have rice. Like, I like to have food, period. Keep food on deck. That way you won't never starve, you know? Especially when you got kids. Yes, baby. You want me to hold you? Okay, he want me to hold him. Hold on, Peach Patch. Okay, Peach Patch. So just on the food items alone and this stuff over here, the laundry detergent, the dish detergent, it was like $3.15. What made it more expensive, took it up to $4 something, was I decided to get comforter sets. I bought me this comforter set. I've been wanting it for the longest, like since COVID. But they never had a king size. And then the one time my sister found a king and she bought it for herself. And then I was like, I don't want to copy my sister, but I still just love this comforter set. I can't wait to see how it look on my bed. I have a bunch of comforters. So it's like one of my obsessions. My uncle told me a comforter set and a new shower curtain can change the whole mood of your house. So you should always have a lot. Like, you should have the same amount of comforter sets as you have underwear. It's that essential. So I always buy comforter sets. We never run out of comforters. And I got this one. Comment down below if you like it, if you have this one at home, etc. My sister got this already. Her room's so cute. She did it over. I also bought the kids some new comforter sets, just the boys. McKay, Choice, and McIntyre. Yep, that's going to be for Matt. This is what he like to do, climb on counters. So this one is just for McIntyre and Choice. I got them the same kind since they share a room. And I would have got my oldest this, but they didn't have another one. Yep, for Matt. And then this one for Choice. Say Choice. Just Matt. Yeah, Matt. And then this one is for my oldest son. I don't know if he's going to like it. Comment down below if you like it. You like it, babe? He keep on trying to fill me up. Fill me up till I overflow. But that's all about. Now I got to put this mess away, which is not a bad thing to put away. This is going to be simple. I got to readjust them. So this is my pantry. Ooh, baby. I got to organize. Ooh, baby. Huh? He got it in his hand. He ate half of it. So, yeah, that's his juice. That's his juice, bub. This baby really making me hold him. So I'm going to move the cereal over to put my Alfredo sauces. I don't know. Comment down below. Would you like to see a video of me reorganizing this messy behind pantry?
Hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. You like my pictures. Hit her like you like. You like my videos. Hit her like you like. You ain't no hater. Hit her like you like. You getting paper. Hit her like you like. Go like. Let's go. Like to the flow. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like. Let's go. Follow. Like. Hit her like. Hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like. Rock with a like. To the left, to the right. Go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. I like. Hit her like you like. Hit her like. For your girl. Take it back to the like. From the left to the right. Go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right. Go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yep, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.